bird bath has a very simple design and will add a classic look to your pet bird's cage. Measures 5.75 L x 3.25 W x 1.75 H. Features a lightweight and durable material. Birds love looking at themselves in a mirror. Penn-Plax has assembled a bird bath with a mirror base so your bird can enjoy its reflection while cleaning. Shop Penn-Plax for all your pets' needs. Penn-Plax is a manufacturer and distributor of top-quality pet supplies, who specialize in creating excellent pet products for animals, both great and small. Top reviews from the United States. Happy bird. Birds love mirrors. Such a genius idea to put one in the bath. Our bird loves it. We have tried different baths that were available at the local stores, but he didn't use them. This one he enjoys. Happy bird, happy life.